over with James on the Owatrol stands now. We're at the Brewers event up in Mansfield. If you're interested in the other videos in this playlist, because this is the 2025 Mansfield, well, we're at Mansfield Town Football Ground, and Nikki at the Brewers Mansfield branch has organised this event. So I'm over with James. We spoke to him last year at the same event. Now that was inside actually at the football stadium. Now we're outside in a fancy marquee. You can see behind me. I think there could be a wedding here tomorrow. It's that fancy. But no, I'll swivel the camera around. James will just tell us about his Owatrol product.
Yes, and
we touched base on it before because a lot of people talk about the Owatrol that goes into the water-based paints, but I think you're more to products than just Owatrol, aren't you?
yes, indeed. Yeah. So let's quickly go through what we did last year, which was the Owatrol.
This is a nicer stand than last year.
Yes, indeed, indeed. So Owatrol is for water-based paints, makes the paint flow, stops the gapping when you're doing brush roller and all that sort of thing, makes the wet edge increase, so you can do painting a lot more quicker with Owatrol in it. We also have Owatrol oil, which goes in oil-based paints. Very much the same thing. Stops the peeling of the paints, increases the wet edge, makes the no brush strokes in your paint, no brush strokes in your rolling and all that sort of stuff. They're very good for extending the ease of using your paints, especially in these warmer periods.
We call it open time.
Open time.
Yeah,
definitely increase that. But the other things that we have here as well, we have our VC175, which is our mold killing additive. And you can add that to any paint that there is, any paint that Brewers sells. You add 5 ml per litre. And what that does is that turns any paint into a mold killing paint. So you can use it, you don't have to use it all in one tin of paint, you can use it in lots of tins, 5 ml per litre. It turns that paint, any paint, into a mold killing additive. Great product.
That little bottle there.
This is 50 ml.
50 ml.
50 ml will do 10 litres of paint.
Glad you was on the ball there. I was just suddenly.
This is the actual product here that the actual product that we sell in the store. And Brewers sell all of these products that we've got here today, and that's great. And I recommend all decorators and painters to have one of those in the vans, because there's problems where you're going to get in maybe a rental property or something, where there's a bit of mold. There's suddenly a mold issue. You take something out, a bit of mold, and you just need a mold killing paint just for that.
And this also becomes a cost-effective product to actually put into paint, because dedicated mold inhibiting paints are very expensive.
Very expensive.
If you come across a job and you go, I've only got, let's call it Albany because we are at a Brewers event, I've only got an Albany emulsion, but I want to put something in because I need to get some mold inhibitive property to it. That
VC175.
That is a cheaper option.
Very cheap option. Yeah. A lot of decorating contractors are now doing that sort of thing.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Because it saves money.
Yeah,
it saves money. You don't have to have a full range of additional paints. You can use that. And that goes in any paint, any coloured paint, any additional paint. So good product.
That's good.
Let's go on from there. Let's go to Polytrol. Polytrol is our UPVC restorer. So if you have coloured downpipes, coloured guttering, coloured doors made of UPVC or metal, you put this product on, and that brings all the colour back into the products, brings all the pigments back to the front, and causes it to look like new. And we put this on products. We put this on downpipes. We put this on even patio chairs and all that sort of thing.
This feels like I'm only just speaking to you this time last year, because we were saying about once you've started with that, it's a good idea to keep a maintenance program. I'm probably doing it every year, so it doesn't bleach out again. It keeps that colour there.
Indeed, yes,
and
yes.
A little work each year saves a lot of work.
Absolutely.
In a longer period of time, doesn't it?
Yes, indeed. So
that makes sense. You know what I mean, don't you? Yeah,
indeed. The other things we have here is our Emulsibond and ESP. Our Emulsibond mix-in bonding primer. You add that to your paint. And that go on to so when you're painting for the first time on a chalky surface or on a new surface, you add that to the paint, and it's a strong product. It will make the paint stick to the wall. Absolutely.
Would you, if you've got a new render that's obviously weathered and it's ready for painting, your first primer coat for new render, and people are listening to me, I am here, would be thinning down your masonry paint to let that soak in. You don't need a stabilizing solution on decent sound surfaces. Is it an idea to use that in with your thin down first coat?
It is, yes, very much so. That's what it's designed for.
So you're actually not using it as a dedicated stabilizing solution as a standalone product. It actually mixes in with your paint.
Indeed, yes. You mix it in with your paint, a first coat, and it absolutely makes it a straight down coat difference. Yeah, indeed.
That's brilliant.
Let's look at ESP, Easy Surface Prep. Now that goes on any hard surfaces, any flat surfaces such as kitchen doors, for example, where you need to bond any paint onto it. What you do with that is you open up, you put it on, you either rag it or paint it on kitchen doors and that sort of thing. And then once again, you can put any paint on top, and that glues the paint to a flat, polished surface without having to sand it down, without having to strip it down, and all that sort of thing. You can just put it on, and that adds.
It sounds like it's a grip coat primer with no pigment in it.
Exactly.
Is that right?
Yes, you're right. Yes, yeah, indeed.
That's brilliant.
Great product for that sort of thing. For for kitchen doors and all that sort of stuff. Yeah.
I try and do these videos mainly because people have probably seen these sorts of products on the side, don't know what they are, and hopefully if they Google it and I get a listing, they'll probably see me talking to you and you're explaining it firsthand as the representative.
Indeed.
And you're actually explaining it what they all are, and hopefully this helps people understand what products are that obviously not every sales assistant in I don't want to say brewers, but painting and decorating merchants might not be aware of the properties of each thing that you've actually got in your product range. And you have got a lot, haven't you, really?
We have, yeah. Amongst this, we have hundreds of other products as well. Lots of penetrating oil finishes. We do end-grain sealers, solid color stains. To our range, we have a lot. So that's why we recommend everybody to come and have a look at our website. Come and see what we do, and we have lots of.
I think you've been very busy inventing all of these.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much, James. It's always a pleasure to talk to you.
Thanks very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.